So I came across this Instagram page that posted 233 reels and pulled in 392,000 followers in just 3 months. And then there's this other page that grew to 2.3 million followers in a matter of weeks. But here's the wild part. The girls running these pages, they're not real. They're AI influencers. And right now, these virtual creators are racking up millions of views and generating real money every single day. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create your very first ultra-realistic AI influencer. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. All right, so the tool I'm using today is called Apob Ai, and it lets you generate a hyper-realistic AI influencer in literally under a minute. I've dropped the link down in the description box below, so you can follow along in real time. To get started, just click the big Create for Free button. A sign-up pop-up will appear. If this is your first time on the site, I'd recommend signing in with your Google account. It's the fastest option. Or you can just type in your email address and create an account that way. Either works perfectly fine. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. It might look a little busy at first glance, but I promise you, it's way more straightforward than it looks. To create your character, tap the button that says Create Portrait Model. This opens up a creation screen, and right away, you'll see you have 2 different paths you can take. Option 1, upload your own face or any photo to generate an AI avatar based on that image. Option 2, build a completely original AI influencer from scratch using the customization tools. That second option is what we're going to explore first. Now here's where it gets really fun. You've got a full set of options to design your character exactly the way you want. Start by selecting the gender, then use the slider to dial in the age. From there, you can adjust the height and even set the body type and weight. I set my character's location to the United States and removed the second country option since I wanted a single, consistent look. No mixed tones or dual nationality settings. Then I moved through the rest of the customization. Body build, eye color, hairstyle from a whole grid of presets, hair color, and even whether or not she has dimples. Like dimples. The level of control here is something else. Once I finished setting everything up, I hit Generate. Within seconds, my AI influencer was ready. And honestly, she looks incredible. Then I clicked the button to set her as my reference model, gave her a name, then just hit Create, and you're officially done with step 1. Now let me show you the second option, creating an AI clone from your own photo. Head back to the home screen, go through the same portrait creation flow, but this time upload a clear, high-resolution photo of yourself. Set the model name and hit Create. Just like that, Apob Ai generates a digital version of you, your own AI clone. It's a little surreal, not gonna lie. Once both models are created, if you head back to the homepage, you'll see them both listed there, ready to go whenever you are. You can switch between them and start generating images and videos from either one. Now let's talk about the main dashboard, because this is where all the magic actually happens. You'll see several main options across the top. Generate video, image to video, edit video, generate image, and more. Let's start with generating images, because that's usually where people begin. One of the things I love about Apob Ai is that it's loaded with preset options, so you do not need to be some kind of professional prompt engineer to get amazing results. There are presets for art styles, outfit categories, architectural backgrounds, landscapes, weather settings, all of it ready to go. Now, if you want to create UGC style content or product ads, which is honestly where the real earning potential is, tap on the Elements tab. This opens up a community library where you can pick from existing objects and products. But if you want to feature your own specific product, just tap Personal, then add a new element, upload your product photo, enter the product name, choose a category, and save it. You can add as many products as you want to this library and pull them into any image or video you create going forward. To generate your first image, select your AI influencer model, write a short prompt describing the scene or vibe you're going for, pick your product from the Elements panel, choose a background location, add a weather setting if you want, or write a fully custom prompt to get exactly what's in your head. Then set the quality to level 2, switch the aspect ratio to 9:16 if you're creating for TikTok or Instagram Reels, bump the output quality to Ultra S4K, and hit Generate. Within a few seconds, the image pops up on screen. And I genuinely was not prepared for how good it looked. My product was naturally integrated into the scene, the lighting was on point, the girl looked completely photorealistic. You can tap the download button to save it straight to your device. And if you want to tweak something, say the bag color doesn't feel right, or you want to swap out the background, just click the small pencil icon on the image. A new screen opens where you can type in exactly what you want to change. I tested it by typing something like, change the bag to yellow, hit generate, and within about 10 seconds, I had a brand new version with that one adjustment made. The rest of the image stayed exactly the same. That's the kind of precise editing control that would normally take a photo editor an hour to do manually. Okay, so now that you've got your images dialed in, including some with your own face for that personal UGC-style look, let's talk about turning them into videos. Because this is where things go from cool to absolutely insane. Click on Image to Video. Select the quality setting Ultra S. That's the Seedance 2.0 mode, and it produces the most realistic output. Type in a short description of what you want to happen in the video. Set the resolution to QHD if your plan supports it, choose your video duration, and make sure to turn on native audio so the video generates with sound baked in. Hit generate, and watch what happens.
Every girl deserves a touch of luxury. This is yours.
Your static image comes to life. She's moving, she's walking. It looks like it was shot on an actual camera, and you never sat in front of a lens for a single second to make it happen. If you want to swap out a character in an existing video, go to Edit Video, select Edit Character. Drop in your original video on one side, upload your reference image on the other, set the quality to Ultra S, powered by the latest Seedance 2.0 AI model for next-level video output, and then hit Generate. The output replaces the original character with your AI model while keeping everything else in the scene intact. The realism is genuinely hard to wrap your head around until you see it. Alright, now we've reached what I think is honestly the most jaw-dropping part of this whole video. You've probably seen those viral AI influencer clips where a digital character is perfectly mimicking the movements of a real video, matching every gesture, every head tilt, every step. You've probably wondered how that's even possible. I'm going to show you right now. Go to Edit Motion. On the left side, upload your AI influencer's image. On the right side, upload any reference video. It can be a TikTok you found, an Instagram video, a dance trend, a walk cycle, anything. The AI analyzes the motion in that reference video and applies it directly to your character. Your AI influencer will move exactly the way the person in the reference video moves. Hit Generate and just watch the result. It's the kind of output that makes you stop and stare for a second, because your brain needs a moment to catch up with what it's seeing. That's your AI character. Now, I do want to mention something really exciting for everyone in our Ivy Does AI community. Right now, Apob Ai is running a limited time deal, 60% off their annual subscription plans. When you click my link in the description, it'll take you directly to the page where you can grab that discount. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to build an AI influencer from absolute scratch. If you run into anything or have questions while setting it up, just drop them below. I read every single comment and I'm always happy to help. I'll see you in the next one.